As usual, we are going to open the PowerPoint presentation by going to the Start button and to the All Programs. On that we are having a Microsoft PowerPoint. If you click over that, this display PowerPoint presentation window will be open over there. In today's session, we are going to see about how to insert a text and a picture in a slideshow. I hope everyone had completed your classwork on the previous session. In today's session, we are going to see how to enter a text to the PowerPoint presentation. So, go to the Insert tab. Where is the Insert tab? Here. See here, go to the Insert tab. On that, we are having a text group. See, this is a text group. In this text group, we are having many options, like we are having a text box, header and footer, word art, date, time and slide number, symbols, objects, everything we can able to insert it. The mouse pointer will be changed over here as like sword shape. Move the pointer and place it in place on the slide where you want to add a text. I need to add a text over here. Click and drag the mouse pointer on the slide to insert a text box. If you are having a text box, click over. See, if you click it, you need to type it over here. I am just typing. When we start typing, we shall have our options like word style, everything. So, just once again I am doing, go to the Insert tab on that text box. Start typing, hi, how are you? I am just typing over it. If I click it, automatically the text formatting will be over there. See, this is a text formatting. You can use all the applications over here, the options. So, if you click and drag a text box in a new location, just click and drag it and move it. Anywhere you want, you can keep it. Inside here, we are also able to keep it. Inside here, we are also able to keep it. So, wherever you want, you can reposition a text box, moving the mouse over its border and drag it, click it and drag it, and you can create it. And next we are having a delete or replace text from a slide. To delete a text from a slide, select the text and press delete. That's all. I am selecting it and I am pressing the delete key from the keyboard. See, the text has been deleted. Or else replace the text with the new selection. So, just I am selecting it. After that, PowerPoint presentation. So, I can replace the old text with the new one. Now, it will be over there. So, formatting a text we are going to see. First, select the text to be formatted. I am selecting this text alone. So, this text box alone I am selecting. How we are going to format it? See, click the Home tab. On that we are having a font group. As usual in the document we shall have this is a font name and this is a font size, and clear all font is also we are having a remove clear all font formatting, and we are having a font color, and we are having a characters change case, character spacing, and the text shadow, and also we are having a strike through, underline, bold, italic. So, whatever we want we can use it. So, we shall apply all the applications whatever we are having. I am changing it to a font name and I am changing the font size to 48 or 54. Just I am dragging it and keeping it over here. See, if I reduce the size, the font will come down automatically. You can select the size to decrease the size also. It will be come in one line, means you can decrease the size also. So I am selecting it, and I am now giving a font color. So I can give somewhat red color, and we are going to have a text shadow. See, text shadow will be there. If you need to underline it, click a U underlined, and the italic, the bold also we are having. So this is formatting, children. I hope everyone had easily understood, and we are having a change case over here. So on that we are having a sentence case. The same on the home tab font group, we are having a change case button. Sentence case is the first character of the word is a sentence is be capitalized. First select the word, after that we can use that. So sentence case means after that we are having a lower case. Wait, I'll just try it for some other thing. So I'm having this one. Hi, how are you? So I'm using this text box. So I'm just increasing the size of the font. The home tab. So I'm increasing the size of the text, and now I'm selecting the sentence case. See, selecting it. After that we are having a sentence case. After that we are having a lower case. See, everything in a lower case, and right now we are going to have in a upper case. See, everything will be in a uppercase. Next, the last fourth one, capitalize each word. The first letter alone it will be capitalized. And toggle case. See, the toggle case is nothing but the farther than the first letter, all will be in a uppercase. The first letter must be in a lower case. And next we have a changing the alignment option. You can adjust the alignment of a text within a placeholder or a text box. In the paragraph group, see, in this paragraph group we are having these options. What is this? This is a alignment horizontal, left, right, and justify center. So I am just aligning it in a left, or if you select the text box fully, and if you need to align it also, we can align it. Center, see the difference, the right. So these are the informations. This is a horizontal alignment, and we are also having a vertical alignment, that it is in the align text. Here in the align text we are having a top, middle, and in the bottom. So this is a vertical alignment, and these are the horizontal alignments. And we can select the text direction also. Using this we can rotate the text. So using this we are able to rotate the text. Stacked also, we are also having this stacked directions. So these are the elements what we need to do it, and we are also having a check spelling, children. As usual in the word we are having a check spelling. Try it yourself, children. Okay.